Garmat USA. Technology, innovation, quality. For nearly 25 years, Garmat USA has been the leading manufacturer of ecologically responsible, code-compliant paint booths, spray booths, and equipment solutions. Built at our facilities in Englewood, Colorado, Garmat understands that our products are more than booths. They are a cornerstone of your business, and we are proud to be your trusted partner. American engineering at the highest level of craftsmanship result in booths that are custom designed with your needs and success in mind. Increase your throughput. Lower your operating costs. Stay in compliance. Keep your employees safe and productive. Improve your bottom line. Our products can be custom designed for your applications. With the most technologically innovative products and options on the market today, Garmat USA is the industry leader with patented processes such as our Accelecure air acceleration system and the industry-changing airflow methods found in our pitless booths with integrated mechanical. Garmat continually strives to improve our products to help you improve your business. American-made since 1988, unparalleled quality and service. Garmat is proud to have the finest installation and service professionals on staff and the best distributor network in the country, standing behind everything we make. Let us show you how we can help take your business to the next level. Garmat.com. Garmat USA. Technology, innovation, quality.